Good morning. Next adventure sports is surfing. Surfing is an exciting water sports in which a person ride waves, usually in the oceans. Okay. Today surfing is popular in many countries, including the Australia, Brazil, France, Indonesia, Japan, Portugal, Peru, South Africa, United States, etc. Okay. So uh, 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 this is means you're playing on the wave, this one, the easy one. Now I'm going to discuss about their uh, you know benefits. A safety measure of surfing, the easy one, safety measure of surfing. A safety measure, look at that safety measure, explain the safety measure of surfing. The always swim or stuff at places patrolled by surf, life server and lifeguard. Swim between the red and yellow flags. Always swim under supervision or with friends. Read and obey the signs. Don't swim directly after a meal. Don't swim under the influence or of drugs or alcohol. Okay, so there is the safety measure of surfing. Also, I'm going to discuss a few safety measures. Read and obey the signs, and don't go on surfing directly after a meal. Okay, if you are unsure of surf condition, ask a lifesaver or lifeguard. Okay, if you get into trouble in the water, don't panic. Raise your arm for help, float, and wait for assistance. And you can say that float with a current or under under throw. Stay calm. Don't try to swim against it. Signal for help and wait for assistance. Okay, so there are some safety measures for surfing. Now I have discussed about the design of surfing. So design of surfing. So this is called design of surfing. Beginners to elder size of surfing, the board surfing, everything. So ancient Hawaiians surfed on wooden boat that were up in 18 meter. 18 meter. This means the 5.5 meter long. Ancient time Hawaiian surf. Okay, so their uh, your measurement of wooden board were 18 meter, 18 feet. Okay, 5.5 meter long. And today's surfer use boat made of strong and light with plastic called polyurethane form wrapped in fiberglass and sealed with resin. Okay, generally boat under 7 feet or you can say 2 meter in length are called short boat. White and then while those 7 feet or over are called long boat. Short boat are more popular today. At you know and A typical short boat is 6 to 7 feet. You can say that 1.8 to 2 meter long and about 20 inches wide. Okay, and about two and half inches thick. Its weight from 6 to 8 pound, or you can say in converting kilogram, 2.7 to 3.6 kilogram. Okay, so uh, there are some design or weight for surfing already I've discussed, and then there's a benefits are given of surfing. Improve the benefit of surfing. How it will benefit of surfing. Uh, Improves cardiovascular fitness, shoulder and back are strengthened, develop leg strength to spend time outdoor or enjoy the natural environment, a good outlet for stress and tension. So there are some benefits of surfing. Okay, uh, now next one is paragliding. So paragliding also one of the good adventures of sports. So paragliding is a recreational and competitive adventures of sports for flying paraglider, right? lightweight, free flying on foot launch glider aircraft with no rigid primary structure. It is closest for humans to get a feeling to flying like a bird. It is a fun and safe way to experience flight in its simplicity form. Okay, so there's some paragliding. So paragliding. So next one also it is the hand gliding. Okay, and now this is called is safety measure for paragliding. Safety measure on discuss as paragliding. This is one safety measure. Safety measure means now you can say that use equipments approved by your instructor. Okay, carry navigation instruments and other accessories. Plan your flights beforehand. Take the weather into account before launching. You don't need a hill to paraglide. Okay, it is important that you are properly trained in the technique of taking off using a row before attempting it. The You can say that don't attempt a level of flight that is beyond your level of experience. Okay, use your common sense, don't take unnecessary risks. So there are some safety measure for paragliding. And next one I'm talking about some design of paragliding. Design, you can just understand the design. Design is easy. Paragliding is a foot launcher, ramp pier, airfoil, like canopy, airfoil canopy. I was seen there flown and landed with no other energy than the wind gravity and the pilot's muscle power. So there's some design of this canopy is flown, and then the foot launcher is there in paragliding. Okay, so a lot of things are there for you for paragliding. Wings, you can see that harness is there, uh, canopy. Okay, so this is for the design for the paragliding. And the entire paragliding set includes wind harness and helmet. Okay, entire paragliding set include wings is there, harness and helmet. It's you know weightless than 20 kilos. Okay, it weight less than 20 kilos. Okay, and easily fits into a backpack. Okay, and easily fit into a backpack. So its weights less than 20 kilo, easily fit into a backpack. Okay, paraglides are restricted from flying above 18,000 feet. So this is restricted for flying above 18,000 feet. Okay, so these are for the paragliding design, safety measurement, everything. And we have to know about the others advantages of sports. Just have a look at picture. Next one is scuba diving. It's playing under the sea. Okay, and then you can say that base jumping. That jumping from the highest uh, hill. Okay, look at that base jumping. Okay, and you can say that just got skating. Okay, playing. Okay, on the snow skating like this. Okay, one type. Just got a skydiving. This drive from the aeroplane in the sky. Okay, skydiving. This was the kayaking. Okay, this is for the kayaking. Is also one of the most important adventure sports, kayaking. So uh, these are for the adventures of sports. Okay, in physical activities and leadership qualities topic. This topic. Okay, so this kayaking, skydiving, skating, base jumping, scuba diving. Okay, then you can say that uh, paragliding. Okay, and surfing. Look at that, mountaineering. Okay, and then this is called is river rafting. All are very important in adventure sports. Okay, then you can say trekking. Okay, then rock climbing. So rock climbing already have discussed is everything. Then camping. Okay, so these are for the adventures of sports. Okay, so uh, after this much 2 days, if you having any that's uh, point everything, so already you have discussed all the adventure sports today. Okay, so thank you very much.